So did you know that Mosie is the only syringe thoughtfully designed with your anatomy in mind? So you may think, why is this the length of Mosie? And I'm going to tell you really quickly. Have you ever tried to find your cervix? You'll notice that it's only a few inches deep, your cervix, even when it's at its peak of ovulation. And we are aiming at the cervix. We don't want to bypass it. We don't want to hit a vaginal wall. And so when you insert Mosie, you can insert up to the handles, the flanges here, and it's thoughtfully designed so that you can aim and spray right at the cervix. So if you're doing that here, it would just be like that. And we also designed it to mimic Mother Nature with a slit opening. So this creates a laminar flow. Getting a little sciencey here, but ultimately that just means that it's a gentler passage. If you have a circular opening, it's going to create a turbulent flow for that specimen. And when you're spraying it, it actually provides a deeper, wider spray to make sure that you get at and spray at the cervical opening. Again, you don't want to be missing, you don't want to be bypassing the cervix by having a syringe that's too long. The goal is to spray a nice spray right at the cervical opening. And by inserting up to the handles, that's what you can do with Mosie.